How to optimize your Google My Business listing. So to optimize your listing, the first thing is you need to understand your customer's intent. You need to understand what keywords your customer is using to find businesses like you. For example, let's search for pizza shops near me. So as you can see, Google shows me a list of all the pizza shops that are in my area. So you need to think of similar keywords that people might use to search for your business. Let us take the example of Startup Chopal. Startup Chopal is a startup incubation center in Jaipur, India. So to find us through the internet, people might use the following keywords: incubator, incubators, accelerator, incubation center, etc. etc. Think up to 10 keywords like these. A special tip: think only of those keywords that could fill in the following blank. Dash near me, because people use this kind of a sentence while doing local searches or while finding a local business. Now that you have created a list, let us move to the next step. We cannot target all these 10 keywords, so we have to make the list shorter. For this, let us go to Google Trends. First, change the country to your country. For me, it's India. Then, put in your first keyword in the search bar and press enter. Now you can see the current trend of this keyword. From this, you can understand how trending is the keyword. Now, we'll compare all the keywords that are there in the list. Now, pick the top 2 to 4 keywords. These are the keywords that we will be targeting. Now, log in into your Google My Business account. Go to the Info tab. This is the place from where we'll optimize the Google My Business listing. Now, for Startup Chopal, we were targeting the following keywords: incubator, incubators, and accelerator. We will keep this in mind. Now, let's start optimizing. The first section is the title. An ideal title would have the business name and the keywords that you have targeted. Try reaching this ideal as much as you can. As you can see, we have used 2 of our main keywords here. The next part is category. You have selected a main category while making your account. You can change the category and even add subcategories if you like. Always remember, the more complete information you give, the higher will your rank be. Now, the next section is address. Put your complete address here. Next, fill up these service areas. If you are a shop, then you might deliver your products to nearby cities. Fill in those cities as your service areas. If you operate only in a single city, then you add only a single city here. Now fill up the hours of your business. The next important thing to fill up is your mobile number and the website. Now let's move down to the description section. In this section, keywords have a very important role. While filling this section, be as descriptive as you can. Keep the first sentence of the description as a one-liner about your business along with the city you're located in. In this section, include what you do, how you do it, what products or services you provide, and for whom do you do it. Use all your target keywords at least 2 to 3 times here. Also, make sure to use other words related to your business. For us, these words were entrepreneurship, mentorship, funding, etc. Now we are done optimizing this page. Now let us go to the Photos tab. Go to the Identity section and upload your cover photo and logo. Upload the photos of your team members and try uploading at least 2 photos in each of the other categories. Also, if possible, upload a short business video too. The more photos you upload, higher will your rank be. This is because Google understands these photos as a proof of your business authenticity. Now, the next step is to put in your product or service details. Startup Chopal is a service provider. We have no products. Hence, let's go to the Service tab. Here you will see that under each category that you have put, there will be option to add services. Now click on Add a Service. Then select the price and write the description. Make sure to use the keywords in the service description too. A special tip: while putting keywords in title, description, etc., make sure to use these keywords in a meaningful way. Don't insert keywords when it does not make sense. Always remember, you are writing content for your customers and then for Google. The first priority is always that your customers should understand your content. Now we have edited all the things that we require. To further improve your efforts, these are some tips. Post regularly from the Google My Business account and keep your customers updated. Google also prefers businesses which post regularly. Reply to as many reviews as possible. Google wants businesses to be active with their customers. And lastly, keep on experimenting with your content, like title, description, etc. See the insights and determine what works best for you. And lastly, have patience. Your efforts here will not have immediate effects. It will take at least a week for you to see some of the results. So optimize your Google My Business listing and meet me in the next section, where we'll learn how to optimize your website for local searches.